What's up, peeps? This is BMX Bike Check. So, we're just gonna get right into it. We got the grips. They're the Hoffman. Whoa. Matt Hoffman signature grips. They suck absolute pig ass. But next we got the brakes. Next we got the brakes, and they're called stop brakes because they work really well. See, they're connected to the back, and as you can see, they really do a lot. They really do a lot.
Just gotta look at that cable.
I mean, look at the squeezature, but in those fucking brake pads. None of our brakes. All right, next we got, well, a completely different angle. We got the handlebars. We got the metallic, surprisingly not that shitty Walmart bike handlebars. I mean, pro BMX handlebars.
This is for Mini Horse 1.
The stem. The stem. We got the Mini Horse 1 stem. That's his sponsorship stem, his signature stem. And then we got the absolute taint pincher. Head stem. Head stem. Well, connected to the surprisingly not shitty Pro BMX forks.
Let's get a look at the taint pincher. You just fart?
No. With the freaking Odyssey Path tires that do a lot on the trails. Shout out to Andrew. And then we got the.
Let's get a look at the rim.
We got those sick. Clearly was one severe brakes because they have brake marks on them. Front rim. It is fucking beautiful. We got the pink BMX rim. That's what it's called. With some spokes and a black BMX hub. That's exactly what that's called. Don't quote me on that. The seat. We got the god-awful, most uncomfortable fucking seat in the world. Google it. That's what it's called. The seat post. We got the holy shit, that's fucking huge seat post with the holy shit, it's fucking huge seat post holder because holy fucking shit, this is big. It's not even gonna fit in the goddamn frame. And the last two things is three things. The sprocket, we got the fucking Trey Jones signature 37 tooth sprocket. With the don't fucking move cranks. They're perfect for if you like crank flips.
Yeah.
I'd say it's been
Jake LaValle could land that.
pretty fucking good. Yeah, Jake LaValle could do a crank flip on this piece. A lot of moving. You want the free coaster? The slack of a free coaster, zoom out on this action. Look at all that slack.
I won't zoom out. All right, there you go.
All that. Ready?
Oh! I just came.
Finally. Got the POS Pro BMX bottom bracket. Pedals are
Holy shit, I just killed myself.
Park Series Nico.
Park! No!
Somebody has definitely railed their shins on these bad boys. And we got the hub. We got the
reflector.
Pedal reflectors. I think that's it for my part.
Just finish it. This is just good. This is so good. Keep going.
I guess I'll go. I'm doing the frame last. We got the Odyssey Path tires, perfect trails. Shout out to Andrew. Why did I sound like Trump?
You sound like Michael Mill.
Fuck Trump. The brakes. We already went over the brakes. Man, dude, so awesome. And then we got the a chain that looks like
dick down here.
It looks like it ran over Garfield and then just got all obliged. Yeah, I just created that word. Obliged in the chain. The pegs. Oh, we didn't go over the pegs in the front.
Oh shit.
Got the don't. What the fuck? You don't need to do bar spins, okay? If you do,
who doesn't?
If you do,
only pussies do those.
If you do need to do bar spins, you can move them to however far out. How to do it? However far out you want.
You just gotta hump them.
Or just do a nosedive. You know? If you ever want to move your boards, just nosedive. Fucking Jesus Christ! Everything is messed up on this bike. Just do a freaking nosedive. And look, ow! bike check. I forgot we were doing a bike check. The hub. The cassette, but it's fucking broken. Pegs, we even go over the pegs, we would just talk about it and then totally forget about them.
Yeah, we forgot about them.
Pegs are instantly removable. Instantly removable.
I'm gonna put that on my bike.
I'm bleeding.
Are you really?
Instantly removable pink pegs.
Where are you bleeding?
On my thumb.
Oh, AIDS.
Okay, so. And they're instantly put back on. And you can see the marks on the pegs.
Heavily used.
Heavily.
Heavily.
That had to have been iced down a stair step. No doubt.
And then what the fuck happened to this one? They just shoved that one up their ass.
Yeah, pretty much.
Looks like it.
Shoved it up their ass.
Alright. Right on.
Is that it? I think I got one more thing.
Bro, I don't know.
The back wheel is the same thing as the front.
You never did the frame.
Oh, you had it?
No.
Oh, okay. The frame? Oh my god. The fucking frame. This is called a be safe, be a pussy. So don't be safe and you won't be a pussy. Frame. Google it. It's...
They're pro, right?
Yeah.
Signature.
Yeah.
For Scotty Kramer.
Oh. Oh, we gotta delete that.
No, that's saying it.
The very easily removable.
Just in case you want to shove your ass up the handlebar.
Yeah, there's like cum inside of them, but
We
just stole it from a little kid. So hey, we got the be safe, be a pussy frame. It's Harry Main's signature frame, not Scotty Kramer.
Oh, my bad.
Harry Main. Because Harry Main's
Is a pussy?
a pussy. It's like that. Yeah. Favorite part on this bike?
Mm-hmm.
Gotta be the fucking tank pincher.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Exclusive feature on the Harry Main.
And,
Don't be safe, be a pussy frame.
It doesn't bar spin very easily.
You better have your tetanus shot if you want to ride this.
Yeah. If
be
you want
safe,
to
be a
ride these insanely safe, workable brakes that will stop you on a fucking dime. Where was I going with that? I don't know. This is the bike for you.
2021 exclusive.
2021 exclusive. And I'm throwing it in that pile. Can I do that? Can I throw it in that pile?
Yeah.
Alright, 2020 exclusive. Harry Main. Be safe.
Be safe, be a pussy.